I have clothes where I should not have clothes. This is my jacket. I went out last night and I came back and I just trashed it here. This is my onesie, which I normally sleep in, but I did not because when I came back I was too tired and I just crashed. This area is there's too many cables. Why? This is a mess. This is not the way it should be. This is my scarf, which I normally wear to record videos, which I'm not wearing right now. That's why you're not seeing my face. This is my towel. Why is it here? This is a shirt. It should be in the laundry. This is my mouse and my whatever, because I normally walk here. This is my hair ruffle, my comb. This is a mess. That is my fanny pack. Why is it on the floor? I'm gonna pick this one up quickly. This is my couch that opens up as a bed, so now I've abused it. This is my bed. That's a toilet roll that should not be there. That's a hair leave-in conditioner, because like I said, I washed my hair and I felt, you know what, let's leave everything everywhere. Why is my iPad on the floor? Okay, I'm gonna pick this up right now. This whole situation is a failed situation. This is my failed attempt at making breakfast. It's currently 12, but you know, this is a shoe rack. It should not have clothes in it, but here we are. These are clothes that should not be here either. This is my hoodie and my sweatpants, which I usually just wear at home to get warm. There should not be bags here. This is my why do I have earrings on my washing machine? These are my eyeshadow palettes. This is my bedroom. It should be made, considering I don't even sleep in it, but here we go. This is my robe. I just threw it here. My socks, why is it here? Also, there's a random sock just laying on the floor. We are about to rectify the situation.
Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey.
coming to record, clean my bathroom with you guys, but this was so much fun. Oh, I was just having so much fun doing this. All right, that's it now. Right guys, we are done cleaning. I'm about to show you guys what this place looks like, but before that I'm about to burn bahur to freshen up the place. As you can see, I took out the books from here. Yes, the couch can now serve as a couch. Our rug is clean. This place has been cleared out. The dining can now serve as a dining table. All we have is tissue and dental floss. Guys, every time I wipe my surfaces, I always go in with a disinfectant wipe. Lastly, like the very last stage. And then here we go, everything clean. The cooker area all clean and wiped out. The oven, the doors, the cabinet handles, everything clean. The sink dishes done. This clean, everything clean. I have just my bottles here. Rug area clean, just the shoes now. My bed that is supposed to be a bed kind of organized. This is good enough for me. Bathroom clean. It's a bit wet but clean. I don't know what this is. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment whatever video you guys would like me to do, like, subscribe as well if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to put on the bell notification. You get notified whenever I put on the bell notification, so that whenever I do upload a new video, you guys will be notified. All right, bye. Something I also noticed, I saw a lot of my words. Oh well, bye.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?